In the last video, we learned that eagles form long-lasting bonds, often staying with their mates for many years, even decades. Today, I want to share with you a fascinating aspect of eagles' behavior that has truly fascinated me. Also, their cooperative breeding and territorial loyalty. Both male and female eagles work together to build a home, take turn incubating eggs, hunting, caring, and raising their young, demonstrating a remarkable level of cooperation and trust. Eagle pairs defend their territory together against predators, working as a team to protect their nesting sites, food sources, and young. This level of commitment and cooperation truly is very inspiring. As I learn more about eagles' behavior, I couldn't help but think about how we can apply these principles to our own lives. In a world where relationships and community are often fragmental, the eagle's example shows us the power of loyalty, trust, and cooperation. Just like eagles, we can build strong foundations with our loved ones, work together towards common goals, and support each other through life's challenges. And just as eagles defend their territory, we can protect and nurture our relationships, creating a safe and loving environment for those around us. Let's take a page from the Eagle's book and strive to build stronger, more meaningful connections with each other. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of eagles.